My next topic is parallelism and perpendicularity. Let us consider two straight lines which are parallel to each other. Slope of first straight line is equals to m1 and that of second line is m2. Now, slopes of parallel line is given by a formula m1 is equals to m2. Now, let us consider a two perpendicular line. The slope of first line is equals to m1 and that of second line is m2. So, the slopes of perpendicular lines is given by a formula m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. So from here we can easily find the value of m1. So m1 is equals to minus 1 by m2. Now if I need to calculate the value of m2, then from this equation only m2 is equals to minus 1 by m1. Okay, first problem. The question is find the value of p for which the lines 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0 and 4y minus 4x minus 12 is equals to 0 are perpendicular to each other. So this is a case of perpendicular. My first line, that is 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. Let us make it equation number 1 or line 1. We need to convert this equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So now 3y is equals to, when plus 2 will goes this side, is a minus 2x, minus 7 when it goes this side is a plus 7. So y is equals to minus 2 divided by this 3, x plus 7 divided by 3. From here we'll get the value of slope. The slope of line 1, that is m1 is equals to minus 2 by 3. 4y minus px minus 12 is equals to 0. This is our line 2. This equation also we need to convert y is equals to mx plus c. So we'll write 4y is equals to px plus 12. Now y is equals to p divided by 4x plus 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So the slope of line 2, which is represented by m2, is equals to p divided by 4. Now according to question, our given lines, that is line 1 and line 2, are perpendicular to each other. That is m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. Now instead of m1 I'll write minus 2 by 3 into, instead of m2 I'll write p by 4 is equals to minus 1. So we have minus 2 by 3 into p by 4 is equals to minus 1. So here this minus and this minus will get cancelled. So this 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So next line will get p divided by 3 into 2 is equals to 6 is equal to 1. So after cross multiplication, p is equals to 6. The value of p is equals to 6. Given that the line y by 2 is equals to x minus p and the line ax plus 5 is equals to 3y are parallel, find the value of a. So in this case our given lines are parallel to each other. So line 1, that is y by 2 is equals to x minus p. We'll convert this equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So y is equals to 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into p is 2p. So from here, the slope of line 1 denoted by m1 is equals to 2. Similarly, our line 2, that is ax plus 5 is equals to 3y, can be written as y is equals to a by 3x plus 5 by 3 is equals to y. So from here we'll get the slope of line 2, which is m2, is equals to a by 3. According to problem, our given lines are parallel to each other, therefore m1 is equals to m2. m1 is equals to m2. Instead of m1 I'll write 2, and instead of m2 I'll write a by 3. So by cross multiplication, a is equals to 2 into 3 is equals to 6. The value of a is equals to 6. Let's try another example, that is the line through a minus 2 comma 3 and b 4 comma b is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 4y is equals to 5. Find the value of a. So here given points are a 2 comma 3 and b 4 comma b. Let me explain this question with the help of an example. There are two straight lines. Let us consider the equation of this line. Equation of this line is 2x minus 4y is equal to 5, and this line is passes through a point. It passes through a point A, which is equal to minus 2 comma 3, and another point, let's consider here B, which is equals to 4 comma b. 4 comma b. And according to question, these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So first we will find a slope of a b. So the slope of ab, let's represent it by m1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So now from our given condition, x1 is minus 2 comma y1 is 3, x2 is equals to 4 and y2 is equals to b. So instead of y2 I'll write b, instead of y1 I'll write 3, instead of x2 I'll write 4, and instead of x1 I'll write minus 2. This minus and this minus is equals to plus, so plus 2. After simplification, b minus 3 divided by 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. That means the slope of AB is equals to b minus 3 divided by 6. Now we will find slope of 2x minus 4y is equals to 5. So given equation 2x minus 4y is equals to 5. This equation will convert in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So when plus 4y goes this side, it becomes a when minus 4y goes this side, it becomes plus 4y is equals to 2x. When plus 5 will come this side, is a minus 5. So now y is equals to 2 divided by 4x minus 5 by 4. So here 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So next y is equals to 1 by 2x minus 5 by 4. That is the slope of given line. Let's represent it by m2 is equals to 1 by 2. And according to question, our given lines are perpendicular to each other, that is m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. Value of m1 is b minus 3 divided by 6 into m2 is 1 by 2 is equals to minus 1. So b minus 3 into 1 is b minus 3. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 into 1 is minus 12. So b is equals to minus 12. When minus 3 goes this side, it becomes a plus 3. Minus 12 plus 3 is equals to minus 1. So the value of b is equals to minus 9. Next, find the equation of a line which is parallel to 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 4 and passes through the point 0, 3. This type of question is very important for your ICSE examination. Let me explain this question with the help of a diagram. So let us consider a straight line. The one is straight line whose equations is 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. There is another straight line which is parallel to this line, that is this line is parallel to 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. So we need to find the equation of this straight line, and this straight line is passes through the point 0, 3. So now to find the equation of this straight line, I need the value of m. That means I need the value of slope. So first I need to calculate the slope of this line. So how can I calculate the slope? With the help of this line. How? Because these two lines are parallel to each other. Slope of let's consider m1, slope of this one is equals to slope of this line. So given 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 4, make it equation number 1 or a line 1. We'll convert this equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus v. For that, minus 2y, when it goes this side, it becomes a 2y is equals to 3x. When minus 4 comes this side, it becomes plus 4. Next line, y is equals to 3 by 2 divided by 3. Y is equals to 3 divided by 2x plus 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So the slope of line 1, let's represent it by m1 is equals to 3 by 2. Now the slope of this line, this line is also equal to 3 by 2. Why? Because these two lines are parallel to each other, their slopes are equal. m1 is equals to m2. Why m1 is equals to m2? Because our given line are parallel to each other. Therefore, the slope of a line parallel to the line 1. Therefore, the slope of this line parallel to our given line is also equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the equation of line passing through the point 0, 3 and having a slope m is equals to 3 by 2 is given by a formula y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. So y minus, instead of y1 I'll write 3 is equals to m is 3 by 2, x minus x1 is 0, no need to write. So by cross multiplication, 2 into y minus 2 into 3 is 6 is equals to 3x. So 3x, when plus 2y comes this side, is a minus 2y. When minus 6 goes this side, is a plus 6 is equals to 0. So this is your final answer. The equation of a line is 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equals to 0. Number 1, we need to find the slope of a line. Number 2, the equation of a line perpendicular to the given line and passing through the intersection of a line x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0. Let me explain this equation with the help of a diagram. We have a straight line whose equation is 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equals to 0, and I need to find the equation of this line which is perpendicular to 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equals to 0, and this line passes through the point of intersection of x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0. So I need to find the equation of this line. So for that I need a value of m, and we can easily calculate the value of this m with the help of this equation, because these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. So first we calculate the slope of this line. With the help of this slope, I'll calculate the slope of this line. So m1 into m2, okay, 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equals to 0. This we need to convert in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So 4y is equals to minus 3x plus 7, y is equals to minus 3 by 4 x plus 7 by 4. Therefore, the slope of line 1, which is represented by m1, is equals to minus 3 by 4. So this is the answer for equation 1, the slope of a line. So the slope of line 1 is equals to minus 3 by 4.
Slope of a line perpendicular to line 1 m is equals to minus 1 by m1.
That is this line. What is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is equals to minus 1 by m1, using m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. So slope of this line is represented by m, which is equals to minus 1 by m1, which is equals to minus 1. Value of m1 is minus 3 by 4. Minus and minus will get cancelled. 4 will go up and 3 will come down. So the slope of this line, which is perpendicular to our given line, is equals to 4 by 3. Now I need to find the point of intersection of x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0. So the point of intersection of x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0. So we'll solve it simultaneously by adding this y, and this y will get cancelled. 3x plus x is equals to 4x, minus 10 plus 2 is equals to minus 8. So x is 0, that is x is equals to 8 by 4, minus 8 when it goes this side, plus 8, 4 when it goes this side is the division. 4 1 to 4, 4 2 is 8. So x is equals to 2. Putting x is equals to 2 in equation
1,
we'll get, instead of x I'll write 2 minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. So when minus y goes this side is a plus y, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Therefore the point of intersection of line
1 and 2
is 2 comma 4. Now we'll find the equation. The equation of a line passing through 2 comma 4, this is point of intersection, and having m is equals to 4 by 3 is y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Y minus, instead of y1 I'll write 4, value of m is 4 by 3, x minus x1 is 2. By a cross multiplication, 3 into y is 3y, minus 3 4 is 12 is equals to 4 into x is 4x, minus 4 2s are 8. Now 4x when plus 3y goes this side is a minus 3y, minus 8 will write as it is, minus 12 when it goes this side is a plus 12 is equals to 0. So 4x minus 3y minus 8 plus 12 is equals to plus 4 is equals to 0. This is your final